Hey everyone, thank you for joining again. Today what we have is this turn signal that will not cancel. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I ordered a genuine GM replacement for it. And now what we have to do is we have to get inside of this to replace it. And as far as I can tell, you know, it looks pretty much exactly the same. Okay, brand new part. Alright, so basically what we have is underneath here, there looks like there's 3 7mm screws right here that we need to take out. And what I did was I just got a ratchet with a 7mm adapter, and I'm just going to back them out like so. Okay, and let's take that off and we'll come up. Alright, so I took all 3 of those screws out. I'm going to use one of these little pry tools and see if I can pry between the plastic cover here and separate the top and the bottom so I can get access to that. And there's the top, and I'm not going to pry it apart, but looks like I can get fairly good access to the actual connectors for the electrical connectors. If you can see right there, I got one right there. There's one, and then here's the other one. This one's one of those, so I think I got to pry this blue piece out before I can pry that up, I believe. Otherwise it's this way. Yeah, pull that up maybe. Let's see what it looks like here on the new one. Maybe that I pull it and then pull this out. There we go, and that's out. Now we have to get this piece out, and looks like there is a tang right here at the top. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tang here that you'll have to push down, and there's one on the bottom right there. If you look at the new one, it's right here. So we'll have to push those 2 down to get this piece out. Okay, so let's see if we can do that for that one, and then this one right here. There we go. And there's the old one. Okay, compared to the new one, I think it looks about the same. Okay, all the controls look the same. So what I'll do is I'll put this back in the new slot, click, put this connector back in like so, put this connector back in like that, and hopefully, yeah, that's actually very stiff compared to the old one. We'll put that back there, with this up like that. We'll click it together. Let's look over here, make sure everybody's good. Oops, I gotta do this side too. There we go. There we go. That side's good. Let's come back to this side. Get on the outside of that. There we go. Alright. And now all we have to do is put those 3 screws back on the bottom. And that's it. This part was actually very reasonable. I think for a genuine part. I believe I paid right at what did I pay? Like $24-25, I think, with with Prime, so shipping. So it came real quickly. I think it came within a day. So they had it in stock, and it was like not that bad. So and it seems like this is a commonly failed part on this vehicle for some reason. So it's probably a good thing that we were replacing it. Everything else seemed to work, but there we go. And then lock the steering wheel back where it belongs, and that's it. Fully installed real quick. I mean, almost in real time here. So again, here's the part number for the genuine GM part, and not so bad, not so expensive. It was actually more expensive at the dealer than Amazon. And so that's it. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching another video. Have a great day now. Take care.